Day 3 of trying to dig a secret bunker out of my family's garage using this fork. I still have 93 subscribers, so subscribe for more of these videos to get shout outed. Let's dig 93 times. Okay, that's 93. That's 99 digs with a fork. Subscribe for more. By the way, the length of this is more than one fork, and the height is almost a fork, like this size. Bye. See you tomorrow.